This partnership between the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan and DoDEA Pacific allows our students to participate in cultural exchange programs on U.S. military bases across Japan.
It's a very small community, but they still kind of live separately. So try to bring them together and get them to realize that they have more in common. You never know. Over these next 2 days, we could create a lifelong friendship between some of these kids. Friendship between, Japanese students and American students. We have a lot of fun team building activities going on. We did some Pictionary games and we did some other Japanese style kind of games. And we made group names. So each group made a group name and they had to come up with a special pose. The kids are doing really good, bonding really, really quick over those activities.
Having an opportunity for children of the United States and Japan to work together, to learn each other, to learn about each other, that's a remarkable step forward. So I'm delighted that we're doing that.
Within their group, they're going to try to create a flag that represents not only their group, but the connection between Japan and America, and also try to incorporate Iwakuni.
It
is my pleasure to have this kind of event between MOFA and Ocean Affairs and the city of Iwakuni. To have this kind of event is a great opportunity.
We are proud of the participant students, and the students should feel proud of themselves. I would like to express my deep gratitude to the people who host and create this program.